If you're shopping for your next car radio, you're in the right place. Come along with the XAV-AX3700 wired Apple CarPlay radio. Let's start with the stunningly clear, resistive touchscreen. It's a 6.95-inch screen with advanced anti-glare coating to reduce reflections and glare from sunlight. This type of touchscreen can even be used with gloves on, so it's a great technology upgrade for work vehicles or for drivers in colder climates. Front buttons, along with a programmable quick access button, allow you to control volume, tracks, and your favorite setting quickly and easily. And home screen shows intuitive, simple to understand icons that take you directly to specific functions, reducing driver distraction. These icons can be rearranged to suit what you want to have on your screen for a custom user experience. You can also expand the app drawer and rearrange the icons in that drawer to keep the ones you use the most up at the top. Add a custom wallpaper to the home screen as well to match or complement your vehicle's interior design for a personal touch. The shallow mount single DIN chassis design means this radio can be installed in a wide variety of vehicles, including those with limited space in the dashboard. The 6.95-inch screen sits flush with compatible installation kits. Connections are simple on the back of the radio chassis with the standard Sony power and speaker output harness, 2-volt RCA preamp outputs, and a rear view camera input to keep your compatible factory camera or add your own aftermarket one for rear view safety when parking. Want to watch a quick video while waiting to pick someone up? Use the USB-C port on the back to plug in a USB-C memory stick to play back compatible videos. That same USB-C port can provide up to 3 amps of charging capability and always provide a way to update the radio firmware for new features or other improvements. With the Sirius XM satellite radio connection on the back of the radio, you can connect an optional tuner that is sold separately to get a great experience with a channel logo, album, and track information when available for that artist, song, or channel. We are connected to our phones more than ever before. However, they aren't easy or safe to use while driving your vehicle, and in some areas, just touching or directly using an app on your smartphone may not be allowed. The AX3700 provides wired Apple CarPlay connectivity to your compatible Apple iPhone. This allows your phone to display maps and allow voice activation or calling or text message response automatically for safe operation, keeping you connected on the go. Bluetooth connectivity with LDAC provides high-quality wireless streaming sound with today's latest and greatest compatible devices. If you have a compatible vehicle, purchasing an iDataLink Maestro module allows the radio to integrate your compatible vehicle's factory features, such as a rear-view camera input, heating and air conditioning controls, and even access to vehicle information like performance gauges and diagnostic trouble codes. Great sound quality is always at the heart of any Sony audio product, and the XAV-AX3700 is no exception. Built-in 5-channel time alignment lets you get the soundstage configured appropriately, and the touch control 14-band graphic equalizer lets you use the preset sound profiles or set custom ones to your own unique sound output. A 3-zone crossover featuring high-pass, low-pass, and subwoofer adjustable crossover points with up to -48 dB octave slope provides excellent control over your sound output. This radio allows you to keep all the great features you know and love in your vehicle already, including factory steering wheel controls. The AX3700 includes an onboard steering wheel control input, compatible with some cars via a customizable steering wheel control setup that has an easy-to-understand setup screen. It is also fully compatible with most aftermarket third-party steering wheel control adapters, modules, and harnesses that are specific to your vehicle that translate to your vehicle's commands and deliver them to your new radio. This awesome radio provides seamless integration with your existing vehicle controls for easy operation without having to learn new controls or changing how you use the ones that exist in your vehicle. To purchase one of these awesome new radios for your car or truck, learn more about the features or specifications, or even find a professional retailer who can install it in your vehicle, simply visit sony.com/car to get the information you need. Thanks for watching.